Sri Rama Jayam, that is called Likhita Japam, or writing meditation. And what are the benefits of Sri Rama Jayam or Likhita Japam? This is Siddha mantra called as Sri Rama Vijaya mantra, as initiated by Samartha Swami Ramdas. Rama was Lord Hari himself, incarnate on earth for the destruction of Ravana. Worship of Lord Rama enhances self-esteem, willpower, mental strength, and the ability to get rid of vices. The mere chanting of Ramanama yields astounding benefits. Shri Ram balances the Ida, Pingla Nadis in the body, ensuring proper blood circulation and general good health. The name of Rama is a divine guide on the road to spiritual perfection. But on the way, it also bestows material blessings on the aspirant. Thus, the merciful Lord Rama takes care of the material needs of aspirants while molding them into spirituality perfect beings. Now, I'll tell you the benefits of Rama Jayam, Sri Rama Jayam or Likhita Japa. The act of writing Sri Rama Jayam is important, and keep his thoughts while doing so is more important than the script, language or number. Though for all longevity of the process, a number in mind is planned while making a start. Devotion of services, of life and its varied forms is devotion to God. So there is no right or wrong way of writing this. The very thought and the process to write is connection with God and find an inner meaning. It is a gateway to higher consciousness and spiritual upliftment. The chanting of Rama Mantra protects you with divine flow of energy, transforming a balanced progress in your materialistic well-being and spiritual wellness. Sri Tulsidas writing said that if you place Ramanam in the tip of your tongue, then you will see both inside and outside shining with light. Shri Rama Jaya, Rama Jai Jai Ram, like Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram is a Siddha mantra, and whoever uses it will reap a harvest that himself can never expect. Numerous saints and ordinary people have benefited from this mantra from times immemorial. In this age of Kali Yuga, it is a medicine which can fade away sins and all other unwanted things in life. It is advised that we chant Ramanama even when we visit Hanuman temples. This gives one a complete sense of surrender to an inner conscience and a peace while writing the golden words. You can write this in any language of your choice. It is the connecting cords with the divine and your inner self. In the olden days, the finished Rama Jayam books used to be buried in the foundations of the temples while under construction. It believes that it used to add divine energy to the temples along with laying a strong foundation for a spiritual life of writers. It is believed that a calmness engulfs as one indulges in writing the Sri Rama Jayam, bringing in more clarity in mind, tolerance and strength to withstand obstacles in life. The mantra forms an unending streams of bliss and inner noise proclaiming that the universe is just expanding, giving and more opportunities and prosperity. If you write this mantra in small measures every day, as and when possible, with due respect, it makes everything else of life's needs fall in place automatically, just like a miracle of nature guiding its forces. Ram is the Bij mantra of Manipura Chakra. This Manipura Chakra is the psychic center of human body, where Sanchit Karmasar is stored. Ram Nam writing helps to clean those karmas. It also helps to release suppressed emotions, negative sanskaras from the subconscious mind and unresolved issues of the past. Parvati once asked Lord Shiva if there is an easy way to sing, narrate 100 names of Vishnu. Then Lord Shiva said, singing or narrating just 4 lines of Sri Rama mantra, Sri Rama Rama Rameti, is equivalent to saying Vishnu Sahasranama. So thank you.